going on, and welcome back. We are headed to Harbor Freight. Now, why are we headed to Harbor Freight? Stick around and you'll see. Okay, so a lot of my viewers and friends on here have asked to see more on the daily fox body. So we are headed to Harbor Freight, as I said, because we need some supplies for the next project, or one of the next projects that we're going to do on it. So I'll probably end up making this a video series, because this is going to be a long video here, showing you what we're getting and the actual project that I'm going to do. So, but follow us to Harbor Freight. I have the wife here.
Hello.
And the stepdaughter back there.
Hi.
And we're going to head to Harbor Freight and pick up some stuff.
Hello, everybody.
So, let's go.
It's like so white right there.
Drill master one is the, so that's a 7-inch. That's all I got is 7-inch. So I don't want to use one of those.
What?
I don't want to use one of those little ones. I don't want to use one of those little ones. See, this says 7-inch, but all their things are 6-inch. So how does that work? Pick a good box. They all look like poop. For the, let me see what comes in this thing. This says includes backing pad. I need a cart. Can you get a cart? Open one of these to see. Oh, they do have 8-inch? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll just get the 8-inch then. See, that's the drill master one there.
This one?
Yeah. So we're leaving Harbor Freight. Picked up, as you should have seen, we picked up a polisher, some different compounds, and pads, microfiber cloths, and also needed a little drill for the house and a toolkit. So we picked that up. Spent a bunch of money, but we saved some too because Harbor Freight always has coupons. 20% off coupons and sales, so I think we did pretty good. We're gonna try to get loaded up and head back to the house, and I'll lay everything out and let you know what I got, and then we'll go over it then, because we're gonna try to get away from that. That is not looking good. We're trying to get out of here, but anyway, we'll see you soon. All right, we made it back to the house, avoided most of the storm, so I'm gonna show you what we got. First and foremost, we have the variable speed polisher, and I doubt I'll be very good with it and hope I don't burn the paint, but we'll see. To go along with that, we got the pads. First is the cutting pad, then the polishing pad is the blue one, and finishing is the black. And to go on those, we have the Ultra Cut Compound, Ultra Finishing Polish, and Show Car Glaze. And then to clean everything off, microfiber cleaning cloths. Now I do need to give credit where credit is due. This idea was not really my own. I've been watching a lot of Brutal vlogs, watching him paint the Cobra clone, the People's Fox. That car is turning out awesome, so got me kind of thinking, you know, I want to make my daily look better. I've got Coyote Ugly, you know, the car's supposed to be ugly, it's not supposed to be pretty. I drag race it, so it doesn't need to be pretty. And then I've got my 16, which is pretty, and it mostly sits, so it should be. So I want to give him credit for kind of giving me the urge to do something with my daily Fox. And also to Gearhead 704, who pretty much gave me the idea, not intentionally, but after watching his video on his SSP to see if he could shine the paint up a little bit, you know, it just got me thinking. So I wanted to give it a shot, and I want to give those guys some credit for this idea. I don't really know what I'm doing with this stuff, but hopefully I'll learn. I'm gonna do some research before I start, and we'll see how it goes. The paint is pretty rough on the car, but you can see there is some shine underneath. So I'm hoping it comes out and hoping it makes the daily look a lot better. But we shall see. So stick with us. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. And we'll see you on the next one in this series.
Hey, why are they waving at me? Who is that? Hey. I was just freaking out. The guy was like sticking his hand out, about to die, waving at me. You know anybody that drives a truck like that?
You're a fan? Maybe he saw you on YouTube.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Probably end up making this a video series, because this is probably going to be a lot longer. No, that sucked. I hate it. I'll probably end up making this a video series because I don't want to make the videos too long and bore you guys with some of this stuff, but that was awesome. That was a video bomb. Your car just video bombed me. And again.
Why is it doing that? Don't like that Mustang, that's what it is.
Thanks, Ford. Yeah, it doesn't want to hit the Mustang in front of us. That's 550. Where was I at? I don't even know where I was. I gotta say it again.
To Hobby Lobby, I don't know.
No. What the hell was I saying?
Project.
Oh, the video series.